Let me show you a secret Excel trick that will blow your mind. Have you ever wanted your formulas to automatically expand when your data grows? It's not magic. Stick around, be learning how to make your formulas dynamic using this simple trick. Welcome again. My name is Mary and I'm your host on Data Monarch channel. Let's start from the basics. In Excel, D is like a superpower for dynamic array. It tells Excel, expand this formula automatically for all the data in this range, and boom. So let's dive right in.
Right here, I have a sales data document, and the first thing I want to do here is to find the total revenue of this sales data. And this normally will be done by pressing here multiplied by the quantity value. That's the price value multiplied by the quantity value to get the total revenue for each product. But normally you will have to drag it down and down. But I want to make this dynamic. How? And if by using the Excel dynamic formula, let me show you how. First thing you do, you press your equal to, then you click on the first data in the column, and then you press your control down to highlight all the data range in that column. Your multiplication sign, you do the same for the quantity column. Your control shift down to highlight all the data, then you press your enter. So automatically it automatically fills up everything without me dragging it down. And this blue line is showing you that this column is dynamic.
And bam, Excel does the magic. No copy pasting, no dragging and moving all around. It does it just automatic. Or let's say I want to add a tax price of 1.5 to the total revenue.
So let me write tax price. So this is where we use the hash sign in the dynamic array. Press your equal to the first value here, then just press your hash sign, and you see automatically it highlights all the data in the column. Then press your enter. Then that does it for you. So one thing I did not do, I did not add my tax price of 1.5, so I'll be redoing that. Then you press your plus 1.5, enter. So automatically it does it for you.
See how the formula autofills? That's the power of hash sign. Now let's take it to the top notch. This hash sign works with functions like sort, filter, unique, and count A. It depends on what you want to use it with. So let me show you a quick demo.
So another dynamic function you can use here is that my data contains duplicates, and I want to extract the product name that are included in this data range, but I can't be doing it one by one. So I'll be using a dynamic function which is unique. So equal to, you press your unique, open brackets. Since I want to extract the product included in this product range, and remember they are in duplicate, so I want you to extract each value from it. You click on this and you highlight, putting your control shift down, then close your brackets. You can see this is showing me exactly all the products that are duplicated here. So this is showing me all the products that were sold in this data range. Also, let's say I want to count the number of products that were sold. You don't have to start counting it one by one. That's why we use our count A function. You press your equal to count A. So we'll be making use of our hash sign in this dynamic array. You click on the first value here, then your hash sign, which automatically highlights all the data in this dynamic array. You close your bracket and you have it. This is showing me that we have a total number of 20 products in this data range that were duplicated in this data range.
No manual refreshing, Excel does the work for you. Also know that this works well only if you use the dynamic array function. So let's do more things with this dynamic array.
So yeah, I have a dashboard and I want us to fill it together using the hash sign with dynamic array functions. So the first function we'll be using is the filter function. So I want to filter this data by product, and the first product I want to filter it by is product 1. I want to filter it by price and quantity. So the first thing you do is that you must ensure that your data is in a table format. So click on the first cell of your data range and you press your Ctrl T. Ensure my table as header column is ticked. I press your OK. After the table is created, you go to check the name of your table, which is table 1. So here under the product column, you press your equal to. If my video on how to move data automatically in Excel, you will see how you can just here extract all this table range and just insert it here. So I'll be showing you that. Filter, you open bracket, then you press your table, the name of your table, which is table 1. You can see it has brought it out already. Then you press your square bracket, which will show you all the data that are included in the table range, and I want it to bring out all for me. You close it with the square bracket, you press your comma, and now also you want to highlight the column that has the product list, which is this product column. What you can do is that you click on here, then Control Shift. So now you can see that it has highlighted it all for me. Then equal to, you click on the column that already have the desired filter data you want, which is the product one. You click on it, then you close your bracket, and here you have it. You can see it's showing me the price and quantity of product one that were sold in this sales data. Since we've created a dynamic array with the filter function, now we can move to calculating the average price using the hash sign. So the first thing to do is that you press your equal to using the average function, open bracket, you click on the first cell of the table you just generated, and then your hash sign. You can see that highlighted it all for me, close bracket, enter. But one thing that you will notice here is that I have two columns with numeric value, so I can't say specifically which of these columns is being filtered out here. So how to ensure that is to use the index function. So here within the open brackets, as you can see, you press your index on the bracket. This is the list of the data range. Press your comma, and the row number is 0. I don't want it to filter it by 0. And the next one you'll be inputting is the column number. As you can see here, the first one, the row number, which is 0, the column number now 1 2, so my column number is 2. Assuming I want to, because I'm looking for the average price of product, assuming I want to get the average quantity of the product, it will be the column number 3, but right now we'll be working with the column number 2. Close your brackets, and you have it. So now I can say specifically that this is as a result, this has been, so I can say specifically that this is the average of the prices of product 1. So let's also move to the minimum price of product. The best thing you can do here is that once you click on the column of the average price that you just generated, instead of repeating the formulas, you can come here and copy the function, then you paste it. So you know what to do, you just remove this minimum average function and change it to minimum. There you have it. I'll be doing the same for this max function. You can see, just like you can see here, this is because our data value is not large, so that's why we can see it here. So let's also say I want to count the number of product 1 that was sold in this data table. So you just paste the same formula we just created, but note I want it to count the product, which is column 1, remember. So I'll change my column number to 1 and change my function to count A. Do you understand? You will change it because you want it to count the product, the number of products you have here, which is under the first column. That's why I'm changing it back column 1. Then press the enter. So this has counted it for me. This is so amazing. So let's say I want to check, I want it to filter out another product for me. Let's say product 11. I just press it here, automatically it will update it out for you. Let's also say I want to just walk around with it, product 5. You can see, so I don't have to start coming here count, I can just see everything I need here. So you can use this for any type of data set you have, whether you are a teacher, you want to extract your student scores, or you want to know the prices of things, you can use this, generate it. And this has shown you the power of using hash sign with the dynamic array functions.
And that's it. With the hash sign, you can work smarter, faster, and way more dynamic. If you have found this helpful, do also hit the like button below and subscribe for more Excel tricks. What's your favorite Excel hack? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, work smarter and not harder. Bye.